Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the construction of the Highway 2000 section from Maypen to Mandeville. And also we're going to look at the construction of the widest bridge in Jamaica, which is straight ahead. This truck is blocking the view, so we're going to slow down and let him go. So currently we're on Highway 2000 and straight ahead you can see the bridge. This roundabout is where the highway currently ends. But straight ahead is the construction of the new section of the highway, which will take you from Maypen to Mandeville. And as you can see, when it's completed, this roundabout will no longer be here, and you'll have one straight road that goes straight ahead. So straight ahead now is the bridge. This is the Rio Mino Bridge, and this, according to the NWA, is going to be the widest bridge in Jamaica when completed. Now, persons always say, what about the Harborview Bridge or the Causeway Bridge? But that one we leave up to the NWA, but this is a very wide bridge. And something I noticed about this bridge from a previous video is one side of the bridge seems wider than the other. So one side could be 3 lanes and the other side 2 lanes. Okay, they have blocked off the bridge. We have driven on this bridge before. We have other videos up where you can see us driving over the bridge, but I guess they're doing some work. It's a construction site. So we're not showing you guys the bridge. We're not going to go too close, but they're clearly doing some work. For some reason this bridge was usually open, but it's closed now. And that barricade was not there before. Oh, they actually have a sign, no trespassing. I don't know if an incident happened or something, but that concrete barricade was not there before. As I said, we've driven on this bridge before. Alright, so as we said, that's the widest bridge in Jamaica. That's the Rio Mino Bridge. Alright, so as you can see, this is where the both highways are going to join or connect. So this road, if you watch some of the previous videos, has actually been dumped up. It wasn't when they were doing the construction, it was not at the same level as the roadway ahead. You had to go up a hill to get to the bridge, but they've dumped it up and they've leveled it off because, as we said, this is where both highways will join. Alright, so that's the Rio Mino Bridge. It actually looks complete. Not sure, it's just left to be paved. As we said, this highway that runs from Maypen to Mandeville is going to be, it's 90% complete. We actually have videos up of driving on the bridge and also videos up of driving on the finished section of the highway. So you can check those videos out. But we're just giving you an update on the bridge construction. Now this is the old bridge. Not sure that's actually the Rio Mino Bridge over there, the new bridge that was built. Okay, they actually have barricades, metal barricades like what you saw a while ago on this side of the bridge as well. Not sure why. I guess it's to prevent persons from driving over it. They've blocked up that entrance. So I guess the highway is at a section now where you can drive on it from here to probably the Melrose Hill bypass section. The roadway it's 90% complete, so I guess they don't want persons driving on the highway now, because it would save a lot of time on motors probably, and you don't have to pay because the toll plazas are not finished. So they're trying to control the traffic on the highway or during the construction phase. Alright, we are now to the right of the highway. We are on the Maypen bypass. So this is the existing main road, and a new highway is being built to the left of this road, behind that bush. So when you are driving from Kingston to say Mandeville, this is the route you have to take. This is the main road basically, between Maypen and Mandeville. Once the highway is open, you'll have an alternate route, but it's going to be a toll road, so you have to pay to use it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.